Now you can see that at the 430th iteration I got a message that the solution is converged, but if I'm checking the velocity plot, I don't think it is still constant, and it requires us to solve the equation for further time, right, or more iterations. So if we cannot totally rely on this message over here, we are required to definitely monitor at least one quantity in our solution for us to judge on the convergence, right? So what I'll be doing is, first and foremost thing is, I will be extending the criteria of convergence by going to monitors, clicking on residuals and typing in 1 e minus 4. So I'll just copy this thing and paste at every location. Okay, and I'll just press OK and calculate again. So let the iterations happen, and we will stop when we are able to see a constant profile for the velocity. Okay, so that is the reason I'm extending my iterations, and let us just catch up in the next video.